Start this video actually with the outro, just to give you a sense of what we did. And if it wasn't already obvious, that was actually a hill climb. You can see how easy it is to drive back down, even outside of the ruts. It's probably like 15 or 20% grade. Not a problem, you know, normally, but with that much snow, definitely put this to the test. We'll have to run lower PSI next time just to see how that performs. Just got back from that short little expedition with the Coot up that class 4 road, and the snow has clearly never been plowed up there. You can get a sense of how deep the snow is. I figured I'd measure it just for like historical reference, for what it takes for a machine to literally push itself on its belly. This Vanguard 16 horse was full throttle the whole time under max load. You gotta love the sound that these V-twins make. But yeah, I was really impressed. That was quite the spectacle. Only untouched snow on my property because I don't ever come back here, but you kind of get a sense of how deep the snow actually is. Right there, if anything. Whoa, as I sink here. I guess I'll just chuck in a ruler as I drop stuff in the snow. It's very cold today. I'll check the temperature before I go in. I think it was literally 14. It's freezing. 16 degrees right now. So I don't know if that's actually as deep as it is. It may only be 16 inches. Let's see. All right. Is it 16 inches deep? Yes, sirree. So the snow is currently 16 inches deep. And the Coot, as you can see, has only about 8.5, 9 inches of clearance. So we were floating on top and pushing through that snow like a sled. Pretty cool. Yeah, if we didn't have these big wide tires, I'm sure we would have sunk right in. I think we're running 3 PSI in the front and 2 in the back currently.